Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make traditional beer Umqombothi. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. You'll need maize meal, malted sorghum, yeast, and plenty of water. Make sure you have a large pot for cooking, a fermentation bucket, and a sturdy stirring spoon. Having everything ready before you start will make the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get brewing. Now, let's prepare the porridge base. Bring about 5 liters of water to a boil in your large pot. Gradually add 2 cups of maize meal, stirring constantly to avoid any lumps. This step is vital for a smooth texture. Continue cooking the mixture for around 45 minutes or until it reaches a thick, porridge-like consistency. This forms the foundation of your Umqombothi. Once your porridge has cooled completely, it's time for fermentation. Transfer the cooled porridge to your fermentation bucket. Now, add 500 grams of malted sorghum and a packet of brewer's yeast. Stir everything thoroughly to combine. Cover the bucket and place it in a warm spot for 2 to 3 days. You'll notice bubbling, which indicates active fermentation. After 2 to 3 days, your Umqombothi is ready for straining. Carefully pour the fermented mixture through a fine mesh sieve or a clean cloth into another container. This separates the liquid beer from the solids. Discard the remaining solids. Your traditional Umqombothi is now complete. Serve it chilled and enjoy this authentic, homemade brew responsibly. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.